folks. It's come to my attention via YouTube, and going back to whatever the first video, I've been on YouTube for 2 years. So, yay, 2 years. What got me started in this thing? I think I was on Instagram talking to Arco Horton from Outlaw Edge Customs, or Outlaw Edge Minnesota, or no, Outlaw Edge NZ Mopar Customs, or I don't know, the name's like worse than mine. Or no, mine's worse than his, but anyway. Anyway, thank you, Arco. It's your fault that I, am making ridiculously long yappity yap videos about tools. It's kind of fun. I mean, hey, what the hell am I going to do when I'm older? Sit there and fish? No offense if you like fishing, but I don't like fishing. I never catch anything. I just want to eat the fish. So, been 2 years making videos. Some of the older videos suck. I didn't know what I was doing. I still kind of know what I'm doing, but I bought a microphone. I know how to increase the volume in editing. You know, I learned a little bit about editing. I'm not perfect. And yeah, it's basically this month is the 2-second anniversary of Ganawonk Utah's Garage. I should just change the name to KUGW and just put the name in parentheses on. What's my plans for the next coming year? Just keep doing what I'm doing. I got stuff I like doing. So, like I said, this is kind of like a garage vlog channel. There's a lot of other good ones. One of the cool parts is Arco also. We had a group on Instagram, or Voxer. I don't think anybody uses Voxer anymore, but there was a couple of us on there. If you go in the list of the channels, there was Danny from what the hell? I don't know. I gotta look. I keep forgetting everybody's channels names, but all the channels listed that are pretty cool, that are on there. There's Danny. It was Jesus. You're all gonna roast me for forgetting your names. Danny's in the UK. There's what's the other one? We're always talking, and I'm gonna have to turn this off to check because my memory's like burnt right now. Danny. And then there's the Wooden Metal Garage was another one. I think we were talking to Bill Cameron for a while. Bill Cameron from wherever. There's NZ Mopar down from New Zealand. We've been talking to him for a while. I haven't seen me do any lives. I might try to do this. That's one thing with second. I'm going to get an internet connection in the garage and see if I can get some decent live footage of, I don't know, whether it be drilling a screw or cutting nails open. I don't know, boxes and whatever. So I'm going to try to get some lives going. I will probably do another 6 million shorts. Just cut up the videos and make shorts, make random shorts. Right now, I've been learning that every time I go to over the border to just do random, what is these? Random shorts of Harbor Freight and some other places of tools, because just who doesn't want to look at a tool video? So plus what else helps me do is I scan all the shells, all the prices, so it helps me remember the price when I want to go on the website. Just got to go on YouTube, which is kind of stupid because I could just go to a website, because YouTube is a website. So 2 years in the making. I'm not a, what do you call it? I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun. Haven't made a lot of videos in the last couple of weeks, but I'm having fun. I think one of the key things is just to keep whoever's got a channel watching this, or if you don't have a channel, or if you're interested in making your own channel, just do something you like doing. Something you're not going to get bored of. Something you do anyway. I mean, whether you like shopping or whatever, traveling, just, figure out your own niche, whatever it is, and just do it and have fun. And if it becomes a moneymaker, I don't make any money off this. I have enough subscribers. I don't have enough watch hours. So if anybody out there wants to watch all my videos and bump the watch hours and promote my channel, or just give me a boost, or throw me a shout out or something, I would totally appreciate it. Not that I expect it, but it's always fun when somebody's got 30,000 subscribers and they go, "Hey, check this channel out," and all of a sudden you end up with 5,000 more subscribers. So, mind you, to be honest, you have to like the channel. So, I don't know if everybody likes my channel. I think I'm doing a good job. I mean, I'm not like put out any spectacular. Like, I watched some of these other people's videos and they got a format down. They have a way they do it, and I'm like, that's cool. I wish I could steal that thing, but if I steal the way they do it, I'm gonna get sick of it. It's not gonna be me doing it. So anyway, with that said, I'm gonna drink some water. with that said, it's been like 2 years. I mean, Jesus. I started out doing this in the middle of a pandemic. Wasn't it pandemic? I don't know if the pandemic started during or after. It started during the pandemic. I remember coming here at night during the pandemic making videos. Stupid ass. Freaking won't even go in that part. And just got out of control. And now I got, I think, like 2,000 videos. Most of them are all YouTube shorts. Got into the shorts before they were popular. There was just a test thing. That got me a lot of subscribers. I have 1,261 subscribers as of this video. I appreciate everybody who subscribed, even my wife. Got to have the wife subscribe. And it's awesome. And when I started, I didn't tell any of my friends I was starting a YouTube channel. I didn't tell all my friends to go subscribe, because what I've learned is none of your friends will really watch your channel. I mean, if they're not interested in what you do in your garage, they're obviously not going to be interested in watching what you do in the garage, unless they're a bunch of snoop, gossipy people, which could be. But anyway, so I appreciate everybody coming to the channel, watching, people who like all the old tools. I love the comments. I like when I get comments that are constructive. Like, I've had a few machinist comments. I don't know who you are, know where you are, who are machinists, who gave me absolutely awesome comments, giving me tips and stuff, because I don't know squat about machinist stuff. Like, I know a little bit. I know what tools are and how, like, I know basic things, and I've learned a hell of a lot watching like A-Bomb 679 videos and how to do certain things. I've learned a lot of off some other machinist videos, and learned that some of these things are not the way you should be doing it. So, yay! But I don't do high precision work. So, other than that, just basically a thank you for watching. Thanks for coming to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your family, put a signpost up for me, and if you got another channel, give me a shout out if you like my channel. And thanks for helping out a fellow who's just making videos and enjoying life. And probably by the time I'm gone, I'll leave my kids about 4,500 tons of steel. Consider all the anvils they own. It's funny because when I started this channel, that little shelf that's right here, all the way that way, there was only like one anvil under. No, bench vise anvils are down over there. And now there's maybe there's a few more. Maybe the shelf's gonna rip right out of the wall soon. I don't know. But plus I got anvils here. I got no bench vices, and I picked up a new one, and so on and so forth. So I'll just shut up now, because I know Danny. I'm just rambling. Ramble, ramble, ramble on. Thanks for watching. Toodles.